Okay, this is the ellipse homework continued. This is page 364. Ellipses continued. I left off at 13 on the last part, so this is 14. I've already wrote down some stuff from this problem because it's a word problem. So it says that 8 is the constant sum of the distances from a point on an ellipse to each foci. So basically, if you had an ellipse and you had two foci and this was a point, it means this distance plus this distance is 8. Well, the other thing that is equal to that is, in the same picture, would be the major axis. So this distance plus this distance will equal your major axis. So your major axis is always equal to 2a. So when they tell you that 8 is a constant sum, right here, you are going to set 2a equal to 8, and you're going to note a right off the bat. Okay, so that's important for your equation. Okay, that's going to go underneath x or y, but it's going to be your largest distance. Then it tells you your foci point. So I'm going to sketch this because it does tell you to sketch it anyway. 3 is a focus, and negative 3, 0 is a focus. Okay, so that means that the center is what? The center has to be the midpoint of that. So the center is 0, 0. This has got to be the center. Okay, so what's the distance from the center to one foci? That is 3. So that means that C equals 3. So not only do we know that A is 4, we know the center is 0, 0. We also know that C is 3. Because the foci distance is, or the C is the center to a foci distance. So that's 3 and that is 3. Okay? Now I also know that this is going to run like this way, because focus are always on the major axis, and A has something to do with the major axis. So from center, using 4, we're going to count 4 to the right. This is your major vertice. So your major vertice, one of them is 4, 0. So if I count 4 the other way, this is my other major vertice. So it's going to be 4, 0 and negative 4, 0 for major vertices. Okay, so that's one of the things. Now, how can I find the minor vertices? So you know A is 4 and you know C is 3. So if you use the formula C squared equals A squared minus B squared, and type in 3 here, and type in your A here, this is 9 equals 16 minus B squared. Add B squared to the other side, and subtract 9 to the other side, and you get B squared equals 7. So, what's the square root of the 7? It's, I don't know, 2 point something. Help me out here. Let me look. What's the square root of 7? See, at 2.6. So if you want to graph that, that goes, it's like 2.6 here and 2.6 here. Now you can graph it and you can draw it. Now the foci points should not be part of this ellipse. It's the majors and the minors. So what are the minors? So the minor vertices then are 0 radical 7 and 0 negative radical 7 if you want to be exact. You can use the decimals if you want. So have we done everything they told us to do? Oh, we haven't derived the equation yet. So now the final thing is the equation. So this is an elongated one. So your equation is going to look like this. So you need to know, look on your paper. This formula will be on your test. So like you don't have to memorize this, but it's not that hard. But I will give you these formulas on the test. So the center, let's start there. The center was 0, 0. So this is going to be like this. That's the center. Center, you don't have anything to worry about. And the A was 4, right? So A squared is 16. And that goes under X because it went left and right. So it runs along the X-axis. So the bigger number goes under X. And then your B squared, now B was radical 7, but B squared, remember that? B squared was 7. And that's your problem. Okay. Now, 15 is x squared over 144 plus y squared over 169 equals 1. Sketch the graph, label the coordinates of the center of the foci, endpoints of the major minor axis.
Are you doing our homework?
Yes. Actually, I'm going to write this up here. I need graph paper for this. Oh, this is 169. This is 15. So 15. We need a lot of room here. I'm going to have to go right in the middle here. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's where the center is going to be. So the center is 0, 0. Okay. So it looks like a squared is 169. So a is plus or minus 13, and that is going to go up and down because the bigger number is under y. So you're going to go up 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And down 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is a long, I can't even show you all this. It's so big. All right, you guys see that? 13, see how far apart those are? And then the b squared is square root of 144, which is plus or minus 12. So we're going to go 12 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 12 the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then, I can draw this right now. It looks like a circle. The reason it looks like a circle is because one of them is 12 and one of them is 13. So this is 13. That's A, and B is 12. So since they're only one apart, sometimes that will look like a circle, but it is longer. All right, sit down. I need you guys to come up and get one copy of. Okay, hey, remove the parabola sheets off of that one. The top 2 sheets off that one right there. Take those top 2 sheets off. Take the top 2 sheets off. Okay. Take one of all those. Thank you. Take one of all those. All right, so there's your picture. Your major vertices are, let's see, your major vertices are, I'm going to write it as, so 0, 13, and 0, negative 13. Your minor vertices were 12, 0, negative 12, 0. You guys understand that? And your foci. C squared equals A squared minus B squared. C squared equals 169 minus 144, which is 25. So C is plus or minus 5. Now these go on the longer axis. So if you graph this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a foci. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They always say that when your foci are far away from your vertices, that it's going to be more circular. The more elongated ones will be when your foci is really close to your major vertices. Like if these are really close together, it's going to be a little bit skinnier, longer. But it's going to always resemble a circle when these get, the closer this gets to 0, the more, actually when these become 0, it is a circle. So those are on their way to 0. Okay, so I haven't told you what my foci points are, but I'm going to tell you right now. The foci points are 0, 5, and 0, negative 5. And we're done with 15. Okay, I have to stop again.